What's up, everybody? This your boy Trayvon here with Saint Talk TV, and today I'm going to go over a fragrance, doing a full review on this fragrance from the house of Burberry. Now, this fragrance has gotten a lot of hate on the internet, on Fragrantica, on YouTube, you know, the comment section under like other reviewers' videos of this fragrance, and I kind of see why. But without further ado, let's jump into it. And that fragrance is none other than Burberry Brit Splash. Here is the bottle. If you are familiar with the other Burberry Brit fragrances, it looks just like that, but this is like more of a lighter textured type of a bottle. Still the same, but just a lighter bottle. I don't know if you can see that, but this is a 3.3 fluid ounce bottle. This fragrance ran me $40 and some change. For those of you who care, here is the box. You know, nothing too unique about the box, just the same as the other Burberry Brit boxes. You got a little information there at the bottom. I think it's some ingredients right there. You know, all that good stuff, batch code, barcode, you dig it. The atomizer on this thing it's pretty nice. It's not bad at all, at least in my opinion. So, what do I get out of this fragrance? Immediately, I am reminded of Versace Per Homme. Not entirely, just the opening. As it drives down, it does its own thing. You know, it is a little bit of a cheaper type of a version of Versace Per Homme, but nonetheless, this fragrance smells fantastic. But actually, wait on that. Let's just get into the notes. So in the top, when you first spray this on, you get some rosemary, melon, and some galbanum. So you do get like this fresh minty herbaceousness from the rosemary, a little bit of a juicy fruitiness, not too much in the melon. And then the galbanum, it gives you like somewhat of a, you get like a somewhat of a subtle bitter fougere type of an aspect to this fragrance. Not too much. So in the opening, you just get a lot of that rosemary with a subtle nuance of that fruitiness from the melon. So as you transition into the mid notes, you get some watery notes, violet, and cyclamen. I don't know why they put watery notes in the mid of this fragrance, or just period, because what I was about to tell you guys before I got into the notes, this fragrance is poor in performance. When I tell you, man, like, I'm just gonna get right into it. When I tell you this, the performance on this is trash, yo. You spray this on, it's going in less than 30 minutes. As you transition to the base, you get some musk, moss, and some vetiver. It gets real masculine and earthy and dry, a little bit more of a animalic type of a touch, but it's not dominant. It's really, really subtle. This whole entire fragrance is subtle. You really got to dig your nose into it. You really got to put your nose all the way up to your hand in order to get any type of identification of a note. You have to put your nose up to your hand to smell this. You got to really hose yourself down with this in order for it to perform. Even then, it will not perform. I'm sorry. So overall, you just get this, you know, this minty, fruity, watery, super watery type of a scent, pretty much. And that's all that you get. Smells nice though, similar to Versace Per Homme as stated before. Other than that, it's a nice smelling fragrance. Now, like I said, the performance was trash. 30 minutes, I'll say 30 minutes to 30 to 45 minutes of subtle projection, maybe mild to be generous. Then it sits even closer to your skin after that, giving you the total longevity of at least like 2 to 3 hours. This stuff is very, very faint on my skin. I wish I would have had better news for this, but the scent profile is gorgeous. What's not gorgeous is the performance. What's good of a fragrance that smells this good if it's not going to perform and you're not going to smell it? I know I'm a true believer of overspraying to get a nice amount of performance, but by the time you get done with one wearing of this, you'll be halfway through your bottle, like literally. Seasons to rock this, you know, spring, summertime, you know, I would say that, you know, if you were to wear it in like some high heat situations, you might get like a decent type of a push out of this due to the high heat connecting with this. You might, if you are a person that sweats a lot, this is going to sweat out of your pores and you're not going to smell jack. So there's that. Age group, any age can rock this. You know, it doesn't have a lot of maturity to it to where it's a little bit off-putting to like the younger crowds, even the middle age group. I'll say if you like it, wear it. It doesn't matter. But if you like it, you're going to dislike it because the performance is like gone. It's like it just rolls off your skin. This is literally Ice Mountain in a bottle. You can't even smell the fragrance up close on the atomizer. That's how bad it is. Man, this had good potential, so much potential, but Burberry dropped the ball on this one, big time. This shouldn't even be labeled a price of $40 and some change. It should be at least like $10 to $15 at best. They should be giving this out for free. As bad as the performance on this is ridiculous. I'm sorry, it is. It's just ridiculous. If you see this fragrance, pass, pass, pass. Don't even waste your time. Don't even try to build up any type of curiosity and anticipation of buying this. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your money. Just pass it up. Just pass it up. But if you want to check it out for yourself, by all means, go ahead, check it out for yourself. But your reaction is just going to be just as worse than mine because, man, you'll be heading right back to wherever you got this from. Because I got this at my local Marshall's, if I didn't state that before. But yeah, just make sure you keep a receipt because this is a no-go. So that's all that I have for Scent Talk TV, ladies and gentlemen. And as always, you know what to do. You gotta like, comment, share, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you do not miss anything. And I will see you guys in the next video. Be safe out there and be blessed, and have a good one. I'm out of here. Peace. Oh.